Today we're going to go over a not so traditional French drain install. Today we're at a project. This house has been continuously getting water intrusion into their basement. They couldn't figure out where it's coming from. So you can see here we have an Advanced Basement Solutions Waterguard system. And this is an interior French drain. This gets installed inside your basement. Traditionally, you'd have to have someone come in, dig out your perimeter of your foundation all the way down to the footing, deep enough and wide enough so that you can get people down there to work. You put in your gravel, your filter fabric, your PVC pipe, and all that, and it's just a big mess. So here we are. The outside of this house was just redone, backyard, new patios, so tearing it up wasn't an option. So we are here installing the Waterguard. We've installed this in many projects, some in really sensitive areas where they were on the coast. Every time it was high tide, their basement would flood. And then as the years gone on, we've been getting more rain. This year we have record rain, and with the high tide flooding plus the rain flooding, they were getting like 6 to 8 inches of water in their basement. Put this system in, solved their problems forever. Even some of these people have been able to finish their basement. So today we're going to go over kind of, from start to finish, how this goes in. We're in different phases of the project in this particular house. And, so you can see right here, here's a little bit of a section view. So the first thing you're going to do is we come in, we cut the perimeter of the floor. Get the concrete out, we dig out the dirt, and then we get ready to set the height of the dirt so we can pitch these systems around the perimeter into a sub pump, which we'll show you a little later on. Just a quick overview of this product. So you can see it's perforated on the back, it's solid throughout the center, and it has this flange. So this particular house is a little different. This house was built differently than most traditional homes. The footing is at the height of the slab. So we couldn't really do the installation against the wall like we normally would. So in this case, you can see if you look over here, we have our track drain. It's going to be below grade, sitting on drainage gravel, pitching down to that corner of the house, and that pitch is going to be continuous to the other corner. In other applications, the way we normally like to do it, and the best way to do it, is this system ends up sitting against the concrete wall. So typically, your footing will be at least 4 inches below the slab, and so you'll be able to sit this on top of the footing and against this wall, and this is going to create relief from the back. And also we have, like in this particular project, these walls seem to be having a water intrusion issue as well. It's very poorly built, so from the outside, the water is getting trapped in these walls and coming out at certain points, as you can see. So that would also solve that problem by having this space, allowing the water to come in from the wall and from below. So it solves two problems at once. And then once you set these in place over your drainage gravel, then you're going to put the rest of the drainage gravel back over and then concrete over. So let me show you over here. So if this content is interesting to you, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going to have a part 2 up for the next phase to show you exactly how that gets done.